Hello there guys, and welcome to the channel. How is it going today? I am so excited to be sharing this video with you guys today. In this series, I will be unboxing and installing the Nest Protect Long Life battery operated smart device from our friends over at Nest. This device is Nest's second generation smoke and carbon monoxide release. The second iteration of this device has a much smaller form factor than the first generation. I was unable to get my hands on the first gen, or I would have done a comparison between the two. If you're thinking of purchasing this device, just go ahead and sit back, relax, as we will be unboxing and installing the device and putting it to the test. Now, let's go ahead and get started with unboxing the Nest Protect. First, take off the clear film on the exterior of the box. The device comes in this really awesome and easy to open form factor. Now let's go ahead and pop off the lid. Once we do that, we can see that Nest has supplied us with an instruction booklet and of course the Nest Protect device directly underneath the booklet. Once we have taken the booklet out of the box, let's go ahead and take out the Nest Protect. You will see that directly underneath the Nest Protect, Nest has provided us with a mounting bracket that makes it super easy to mount the device from anywhere inside of your home. Under the mounting bracket, you will see 4 screws. These screws have been created that you will only need a Phillips head screwdriver to install the bracket. No power drill or bits will be needed for installation of the Nest Protect. We will then go ahead and pop open the instruction booklet. You can see here in a second that Nest has provided helpful illustrations of the colors associated with your Nest Protect. During setup and testing, the Nest Protect will glow a solid blue color. The green status light will tell you that the device is consistently checking its sensors and batteries. At night, when it's dark inside your home, the device will illuminate a white path light as you walk underneath it. It does this by setting off its motion sensor. A yellow light represents a friendly heads up before it sounds the alarm. The device will calmly tell you what the danger is and where it is located. Now we will go ahead and flip over the Nest Protect. Nest has provided a super easy button that you can slide open the battery compartment, and inside you will see that the Nest Protect is powered by 6 AA batteries. We will now power on the device and pair it to your Nest account. We will go ahead and pull the blue tab located at the bottom of the device. Once the tab has been pulled, your device will illuminate a blue color and begin the setup process. Let's now listen in.
Press the button now for English. Ready. Press to test. This is only a test. The alarm will sound. The alarm is loud. The test starts in 10 seconds. Press to cancel. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is only a test. Testing smoke. Testing carbon monoxide. The test is finished. Everything looks good.
Now, let's go ahead and pair the Nest Protect to our Nest account located in the Nest app. First, we will want to select Add Product and allow our device to access the camera. Then position the back of the device in the view of the camera lens, and Nest will scan the QR code and locate the device. As a reminder, the Nest app will scan the QR code even if it's not located in the blue square shown here. Then select Next, and where you will be locating the device in your home. Then tap Next, and the device will begin to sync and connect. The screen shown here might take a few minutes to load before prompting you to select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. The Nest Protect will only work on your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password, and the Nest Protect will connect to your home network. You will then see an Added to Your Network success page. From there, you can select Next, and the app will take you through a series of setup pages, allowing you to select things like pathlight, preferred sound check times, and how to run a safety check to ensure your device and batteries are performing at their peak performance. Let's go ahead and select Done. Now it's time to get your Nest Protect installed. For installation, all you will need is the mounting plate, the 4 screws supplied to you by Nest, a pencil to mark where your holes will be, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Once you figure out where the Nest Protect will be installed, use the mounting bracket and your pencil to sketch out your screw placement. Now, because of the material that my ceiling is made of, I actually had to mount the Nest Protect on the wall. Feel free to place the device on the ceiling or the wall. If you're mounting it on the wall, Nest recommends to place it 4 inches from the ceiling and 4 inches from the side or nearest adjacent wall. As you can see from this video, this device is very easy to set up and install into your home. The Nest Protect will run you $119 for the battery-operated or wired configuration. Thank you so much for watching my video. Today we ran through the unboxing of the Nest Protect, getting it set up with your Nest account, and installation of the device into your home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, pound that subscribe button so you can watch more videos like this in the coming weeks. If you want to purchase this product, I left a link in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.